The wake-up call. Listen carefully. This is not motivation. This is a warning. 2026 is closer than you think, and most people will enter it the same way they entered every year before. Unprepared, distracted, hoping for luck. If nothing changes, nothing changes. And habits are the only thing that changes lives. You don't rise to goals, you fall to habits. Right now, your habits are building your future, either on purpose or by accident. Today I'm going to give you 100 habits, not ideas, not quotes, rules to live by. If you follow even half of these, your life in 2026 will not look the same. Let's begin. Part 1, Morning and Foundation Habits, 1 to 20. Success starts before the world wakes up. Habit 1, wake up at the same time every day. Not when you feel ready, when the alarm rings. Habit 2, make your bed. It teaches your brain one thing: I finish what I start. Habit 3, drink water immediately. Before caffeine, before excuses. Habit 4, move your body. Stretch, walk, push-ups. Motion creates energy. Habit 5, get sunlight early. It wakes your brain naturally. Habit 6, no phone for the first hour. If you start your day reacting, you lose control. Habit 7, set 3 priorities, not 10. 3. Habit 8, write your goals daily, even if they don't change. Repetition builds focus. Habit 9, read at least 10 minutes. Knowledge compounds. Habit 10, practice gratitude. Not because life is perfect, but because perspective matters. Habit 11, sleep 7 to 8 hours. No sleep, no progress. Habit 12, eat real food. Fuel matters. Habit 13, control sugar. Energy crashes kill discipline. Habit 14, train discipline daily. Do small, hard things. Habit 15, track habits. What you track improves. Habit 16, keep promises to yourself. Self-trust is power. Habit 17, reflect every night. What worked? What didn't? Habit 18, plan tomorrow tonight. Win before the day starts. Habit 19, start before you feel ready. Confidence comes after action. Habit 20, show up on bad days. That's when habits matter most. Part 2, focus and productivity habits, 2140. Most people aren't lazy, they're distracted. Habit 21, time block your day. Decide where time goes. Habit 22, remove distractions. Focus is a choice. Habit 23, one task at a time. Multitasking is a lie. Habit 24, silence notifications. The world can wait. Habit 25, deep work sessions daily. That's where growth lives. Habit 26, work before scrolling. Earn your dopamine. Habit 27, finish what you start. Half done creates doubt. Habit 28, use checklists. Clarity saves energy. Habit 29, track your time. Time reveals truth. Habit 30, say no more often. Every yes costs focus. Habit 31, work in silence sometimes. No music, just thought. Habit 32, clean your workspace. Chaos outside creates chaos inside. Habit 33, take intentional breaks. Rest is strategic. Habit 34, start with the hardest task. Everything else feels easy after. Habit 35, avoid busy work. Results matter, not motion. Habit 36, review progress weekly. Adjust fast. Habit 37, protect focus time, like it's money. Habit 38, stop doom scrolling. Fear is addictive. Habit 39, execute over planning. Action beats perfection. Habit 40, end work with a clear stop. Burnout helps no one. Part 3, mindset and discipline habits, 41 to 60. Your habits shape your thinking. Your thinking shapes your life. Habit 41, think long-term. Short-term pleasure steals futures. Habit 42, delay gratification. Wait, build patience. Habit 43, control emotions. React less, decide more. Habit 44, accept discomfort. Growth lives there. Habit 45, replace excuses with action. No stories, just steps. Habit 46, build mental toughness. Do things when tired. Habit 47, focus on solutions. Problems don't pay rent. Habit 48, learn from failure. Failure is feedback. Habit 49, stay consistent, not intense. Consistent. Habit 50, ignore negativity. Energy is limited. Habit 51, avoid comparison. Different paths, different timing. Habit 52, stay humble. Arrogance blocks learning. Habit 53, take responsibility. Blame kills power. Habit 54, seek progress, not perfection. Perfect never starts. Habit 55, be self-aware. Know your weaknesses. Habit 56, adapt quickly. Rigidity breaks people. Habit 57, stay patient. Results log effort. Habit 58. Control reactions. Pause before responding. Habit 59. Choose discipline over mood. Mood changes. Discipline stays. Habit 60. Keep standards high. Low standards cost everything. Part 4. Skills and growth habits. 6180. Your income follows your skills. Habit 61. Learn one valuable skill deeply. Habit 62. Practice daily. Skill fades fast. Habit 63. Read nonfiction. Borrow wisdom. Habit 64. Learn from mentors. Speed up mistakes. Habit 65. Ask better questions. Questions guide direction. Habit 66. Apply what you learn. Knowledge unused is wasted. Habit 67. Improve communication. Words move people. Habit 68. Speak with confidence, even when unsure. Habit 69. Write clearly. Clarity builds authority. Habit 70. Solve problems. Value equals solutions. Habit 71. Study successful people. Patterns repeat. Habit 72. Learn from mistakes. Don't repeat them. Habit 73. Build digital skills. The world is online. Habit 74. Improve time management. Time is leverage. Habit 75. Seek feedback. Growth needs honesty. Habit 76. Learn money skills. Money obeys rules. Habit 77. Track income and expenses. Awareness creates control. Habit 78. Build leverage skills. Skills that scale. Habit 79. Improve decision-making. Decisions shape destiny. Habit 80. Stay curious. Curiosity keeps you young. Part 5. Health, money, and environment. 81-100. Success without health is failure. Habit 81. Exercise regularly. Strength builds confidence. Habit 82. Eat for energy, not emotion. Habit 83. Drink enough water. Simple. Ignored. Habit 84. Stretch daily. Longevity matters. Habit 85. Reduce junk food. You are what you eat. Habit 86. Protect mental health. Silence is medicine. Habit 87. Save money monthly. Security creates freedom. Habit 88. Invest wisely. Make money work. Habit 89. Avoid bad debt. Debt steals options. Habit 90. Build an emergency fund. Peace beats panic. Habit 91. Surround yourself with winners. Energy transfers. Habit 92. Cut toxic people, even if it hurts. Habit 93. Limit negative media. Fear sells. Habit 94. Keep your environment clean. Order creates calm. Habit 95. Respect your time. No one else will. Habit 96. Respect others' time. Reputation matters. Habit 97. Build daily routines. Freedom loves structure. Habit 98. Review goals monthly. Adjust direction. Habit 99. Upgrade habits yearly. Growth never ends. Habit 100. Never stop improving. Ever. Ending the final push. Now listen. You don't need all 100 today. You need one. One habit, done daily, without negotiation. Imagine it's December 2026. You look back, and you smile. Because you didn't wait. That future is not luck. It's built. So start now. Not tomorrow. Not Monday. One habit, today. Your future is watching.